The Uganda People's Defence Forces UPDF received the last batch of 61 ex-combatants from the rebel group, the Lord's Resistance Army, that surrendered in the Central African Republic. These were received by the Prime Minister Robin Anabanja, who ensured total support from the Ugandan government.
Mine is to assure our brothers and sisters from Central African Republic through the Minister that these children of Africa, these are our sisters and brothers. They are our children. They are our grandchildren. They are going to be given all the support they need to live happily in their country. Our brother Chidega, he asked whether he's going to be supported. We still have the other people in Nakasongola. They have been here for 2 months now, and we are receiving also these ones. We are yet to integrate them in the community. The Ministry for Northern Uganda is under my office, and so we are going to use all the support we have under that ministry to help us.
The group includes 15 men, 14 women, and 32 children. This brings to 141 the total number of ex-LRA combatants returned from Central African Republic over the past month.
It is now the third and very last or final batch that is coming in from Central Africa. It is comprised of the LRA ex-fighters or ex-combatants. It is comprised of women. It is comprised of children. I will give you the figures from the beginning up to today. But specifically for today, we are supposed to receive 67 of these categories, but we have received 61. Reason is two parents are from Central African Republic, and they had 4 children. They are also Central African Republic citizens who opted to remain in their country. However, since LRA started from here, the actors who were involved in this program decided that, or whether you were captured from Congo, South Sudan, or Uganda, the process begins from repatriation to here as a transit point through the entire DDRR program, which is the disarmament, demobilization, reintegration and resettlement. And to that effect, you will see among our guests from Central African Republic.
Komakechi Ndiandro, the regional coordinator, said this initiative began when President Museveni accepted to sign the Memorandum of Understanding through the Disarmament, Demobilization, Rehabilitation and Settlement Program.
President Museveni accepted unilaterally to implement the entire peace agreement. And therefore, that is what formed the basis of this process. It is also important to note that it took so long for this to take off. There were many quiet negotiations. I came on board in April when I was requested by government.
Legislators from Acholi, where the returnees hail from, urged the government to help these ex-combatants with skilling programs to help them adapt to the new world.
I am grateful and happy about them being home now, because I know the suffering they've gone through. I know many have lost their lives. The children who were abducted from northern Uganda were over 12,000. And imagine.
Sempija Vincent, the Minister of Defence and Veteran Affairs, appreciated the 2 NGOs, PAX from the Netherlands and PRIU from Belgium, for initiating the repatriation program.
Je vous présente l'ambassadeur de Pays-Bas.
Because you have been hearing about Netherlands and their support in this whole endeavor, plus the NGO PAX Netherlands. So that is the Excellency from Ambassador from representing Netherlands here. May I also introduce the Ambassador?
Rescued combatants will be moved to Mijera in Nakasongola and later Gulu for final settlement. Naguja Serena, Big Television.